The word phenomenon is from a Greek word, and the Greek word is phanesthai. And what phanesthai means is to shine forth. Now, one of the presuppositions of the phenomenological viewpoint is that reality in some sense is composed of what shines forth. Now, this is a very difficult thing to explain, but I can do it partly this way. So, when you're moving from point A to point B, you can parse the world up into tools and obstacles. I showed you that in the last slide. Tools are things that get you to where you're going, and so what the tools are depends on where you're going, and obstacles are the things that get in your way. And so if you perceive tools, then that makes you happy, because happiness, at least in part, is experienced in relationship to movement towards a goal. And if you experience nothing but obstacles, that's going to produce negative emotion. And so this is a variant of that. And the variant is, when you're moving from point A to point B, you can experience things that you predict or desire, and those make you hopeful and happy. Or you can experience things that are unpredictable, and those are threats, and they make you anxious. But it's broader than that. They disinhibit negative emotion in a more general sense. But sometimes you can experience something that's so unpredicted and so shocking that it blows the framework that you're using. What would you say? The phenomenologists called that loss of world. The framework, the thing that you encounter is so unexpected that its appearance blows the structure of being apart. And that happens, for example, when people are betrayed by someone that they love. Or maybe they're very seriously hurt. Or they develop a very serious illness. Or a dream that they've been pursuing for a long period of time is rendered impossible by some failure. Or some unexpected natural occurrence. Now, part of the question is, what do you experience when your world falls apart? Your world emerges from something, and then when it falls apart, it falls back into that something, that chaotic state. And the phenomenologists say that what you experience most basically is meaning. So from a phenomenological perspective, when you're looking at the world, you perceive meaning, and then you derive objects from that. And you derive the objects in relationship to your representation of your current state and your future state. So from a phenomenological perspective, the base of the world is meaning.